What's up guys, welcome back to the Phono Guy, and in this video we are going to do a water test of Samsung Galaxy Note 8, and we are here to check out if this can survive in the water for a while. And you can see clearly that this Note 8 is working and everything is perfect and fine. So we are now going to put this in water, and let's start the stopwatch, and you can see the stopwatch has started. And now let's put it into this jar and wait for a while, almost for 10 minutes or 10 to 15 minutes, and let's see what happens. And you should know that Samsung Galaxy Note 8 is IP68 rated, which means that it can survive for 30 minutes in water with depth of 1.5 meters. And this jar is obviously not 1.5 meters, but it will tell us that how much time it can survive if at least we put it in water for 10 to 15 minutes to see if it can survive. And you can clearly see the screen is running and timer is on the device. And we know that Samsung devices have been doing very great in the water tests with the previous models like Samsung Galaxy S7 Edge and Samsung Galaxy S6 Edge, which were both water and dust resistant with IP68 and IP67 rating for the Samsung Galaxy S6 Edge. And now the Note 8 is finally here and the test is going on. Let's see what happens. The Note 8 can survive it or not. It will be seen after the test completes, and let's the test proceed for at least 10 to 15 minutes, and we will come out after the 10 minutes break. And now guys, it has been more than 10 minutes, the device is in water. Let's bring it out and you can see 10 minutes and 11 seconds, and the device is wet. The water is coming out of the ports and lots of water is coming out of the speakers especially. And let's check out if the device is working. Yes, it's working properly fine. Everything seems good and everything is running, and the water is still coming out of the ports. And let me just clean the device and bring it in front of you guys after cleaning the device. Let's now see if everything is working, and still the water is coming, but let's check out if everything is working properly. And going into the settings and checking out the settings first, everything is working smooth on the screen. While all of the ports are still wet and the water is coming out of the speakers, especially lots of water is coming out of the speakers. Nothing has happened to the display. And now let's check the different things, if the buttons are working properly. The Bixby button, and yes, it's working fine. The power key is working fine. And let's check out the volume keys, if they are working. Yes, they are working fine, nothing is bad with them. And now let's go into the camera and see if it is working or not. Where's the camera? Yes, here it is. And yes, the rear camera is perfectly fine, everything looks good to me, and as was the front camera. It was working good. And that's it guys, this was the water test of Samsung Galaxy Note 8, and I hope you enjoyed this video. And if you did, then give this video a thumbs up, and up till next video, bye bye and peace.